Ultramobile uses eSIMs, which are embedded SIM cards, for select plans. This technology lets you digitally manage your mobile connection without needing a physical SIM card. Transferring your Ultramobile eSIM to a new phone involves three key steps. First, remove the eSIM profile from your old device. Second, reissue a new eSIM profile through Ultramobile. Third, activate it on your new phone. As of October 2025, Ultramobile allows streamlined transfers using their mobile app, website, or customer support. This process is compatible with iPhones running iOS 15.1 or later, select Android models with Android 10 or higher, and some wearables. Ultramobile has enhanced its eSIM transfer process to align with industry shifts. The mobile app now features a transfer eSIM option, reducing the need for customer service calls. You can scan a QR code to deactivate and reactivate seamlessly. Ultramobile also benefits from integration with T-Mobile, allowing automatic reissuance in most cases. They report a 90% success rate for self-service transfers as of Q3 2025. Security upgrades now include biometric verification for transfers, protecting against unauthorized access. The eSIM transfer process consists of three main steps. First, removal or deactivation disconnects the eSIM profile from your old device. Ultramobile handles this remotely to prevent simultaneous use on multiple devices. Your old device must be powered on and connected to the internet during this step. Next is reissue or reprovisioning, where Ultramobile regenerates the eSIM profile, often with a new ICCID for security. This occurs through Ultramobile's activation servers, communicating with the device's eSIM chip via SMS or the app. Finally, reactivation downloads and installs the profile on your new device. Compatible devices use LPA software, and Ultramobile provides a matching ID for verification. eSIMs are reprogrammable, support multiple profiles, and integrate with NFC. For a successful transfer, you'll need a compatible device, an active Ultramobile account, and your original phone number. The transfer is typically free, but data usage may apply.